Kuya, ang experience mo as a grand champion, a grand finalist for the PGE, makakatulong ba yan sa gabi nito? Sorry, Rondo. Ang pagiging eyepiece mo ba ay magbibigay sa iyo ng kalutasan sa mga problema mo? O pagpurol ba ang naging na ito? Nagpalit ng anyo from blue going to gold. Makakatulong kaya sa iyo niya na maging champion for this night. Kuya, naman kay Montero Sport na nami-intra pa ka. Pero this is your question. Niresera o mulaon ka o hiling ba? So, nag-wild si ate kaganina. Ana, ewan ko kung makakatulong ba sa iyo na manalo for this night. Ang mga bayo na walay kaon yung backup dancer. Makatapang kahato o mulaon ka karong gabi-una. Ang imong kalo, laasa na yung napityo kay. Ambot na o mulaon pa ka. How about you, Iha? Yung Nora Honor mo kalo. Walang himala! According to Nora Honor. So, I hope na si Nora Honor magiging inspirasyon mo. So, iniisip ng mga orano kung tama ba ang kanilang desisyon. Dahil nakasalalay ang katotohanan sa kanilang mga kamay. Sa mga nagbigay buhay ng gabi ito, lalo-lalo na sa aming Mayor, Norval Marcelino Iberandos, our Vice Mayor, sa mga dumalo, we have Sir Leonie Bahagi, Norval Dura, and Ma'am Joy, and DILG Kim, Sir Kim. Maraming salamat sa iyo lahat. Sa sound factor, sa ating mga hurados, lahat mga tao pumunta sa gabing ito, maraming salamat po. And our result is in my hand. May I request again our dignitaries to please become on stage for the awarding of the prizes. Normal Mayor and Vice with Sir Leonie. Our DILG officer and Ma'am Joy. Isimpias na si Ma'am, hindi na lang daw siya musaka. Ma'am Joy, can you get the certificate? From Mooncake Traveling Tour, a one-night supreme stay at Marco Polo Hotel. Good for two. Ewan ko kung sino sa inyo ang mabiging partners. Second runner-up. Our second runner-up, contestant number, or finalist number. And to give the award, I request Sir Kim and Norval Dura. The second runner-up, finalist number 8. Ayan, it doesn't come from finalist number 8. May I request Ma'am Joy and Sir Lides Bahagi to hand the prize for our first runner-up for this year. First runner-up! Our first runner-up! Finalist number! To our board of judges, thank you very much, sir, for coming. Sir Melvin, Sir Noel, and Sir Chu, thank you very much. First runner-up! Would like to thank Felipe Lacras for my make-up. Daghang salamat, Amega. Finalist number 4. And the champion. May I request our Vice Mayor and our Mayor to hand the prize for the champion for this year. RFC Top Sensation. Grand finalist number. Thank you very much, Mayor Mark Menendez and Vice Mayor Salim, for making this night a successful one. The champion! The champion! Number! Our finalist number! UMTC Dance Company, thank you very much for coming. Crown Society Percussion and Cymbal, thank you. To